So the rules for a clean entry, one, it depends on a lot of things. So this is why I love questions, because there's so many different variables. Normally you can ask this to anybody else and they'll say, oh, the break of, whether it's a break of structure or a break of a trend line or multiple indicators agreeing with your thought process, that's their answer. For me, because I don't give a very simple answer because there's so many different variables, what are the rules for a clean entry? One, what is the market doing? Is the market bullish? The market bearish? The market sideways? Because you can have the perfect setup, your perfect indicators, your perfect everything, and the market is sideways or boring or coming down. And your entry is very bullish. Everything is screaming to you, enter now. Can you enter? Sure, you can. And that might be the one anomaly where it does stuff that the other coins aren't doing, because the other coins are following Bitcoin at the moment. They are literally mirroring Bitcoin. So you can have the perfect setup on your coin, but if Bitcoin's not looking great or coming down or whatever, then the chances of yours exploding have just reduced significantly by tenfold, if not more. Now, if Bitcoin is looking good and the market's looking better and you have a really nice setup, well, okay, the market is good. Then we have to look at what type of trader are you? Are you a trader that wants to buy the breakout after a retest? Whenever I say that I buy the breakout, a lot of traders, they kind of cringe. They're like, oh no, I don't buy the breakout. Well, I don't buy the breakout the way you're thinking. And a lot of traders think when I say buy the breakout is like this, and we enter here. No way, Jose, no way. Same scenario, doing this, comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down. Now it breaks out. Now I'm entering. This is completely different than this. So to me, this is a much cleaner entry than this. This has an extremely high chance of it going back to at least 38% to possibly, we can say right here about golden pocket area before continuing up. And then let's just say it doesn't take more of it, go to 78%. We're underneath the danger zone, 618, and then it continues because this is a crap coin or something. So entering here, definitely not. It gets a Dos Equis, double X. For this is what I do. Now, as far as a clean entry, one, I don't want to see a pump. Two, I want to see that the market's doing the direction where I would like it to go. Three, I would like to see, now these are all bonuses. The first one is the most important. Then of course, as far as the entry, you don't want this. You want it to be something like this, to where it went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, boom, broke our entry. Because what it's doing here, it's slowly building the strength. This is like a sugar rush. You're super tired, it's boring, you're on the verge of sleep, you're very, very lethargic, just tired. And then you drink an energy drink and boom, you go up to the moon and you got energy, you're cleaning, you're doing all this other stuff, and then you crash. Or you're very tired, you're lethargic, you know what? Let me take a shower. Let me cold water, or just put cold water on my face. Let me move around. Let me do something to where I'm not, drowsy, just, falling asleep at the workstation. And you start moving around and you're like, hey, you know what? Boom, boost of energy. Okay, cool. You can kind of relax a little bit. Let me get a snack or maybe a sandwich or something. Boom, your energy goes up again. It comes down. Now it breaks out. This is sustainable. This is what I look for. This, no. So those are the two things. Then, of course, everything else is a bonus. You can throw your fixed range volume profile, and you can do it, let's say, from the start of this move. And let's say the POC is right here. And we broke the value area high, which is right here. And let's say the value area low is right here. So we actually, when we're looking at it, we looked that we bounced off of the PLC point of control. We broke through the value area high. We broke through this resistance. This is another check mark. Let's also say, these are all bonuses. Let's also say you have a moving average. And let's say your favorite moving average is the 9 SMA or the 200 SMA or whatever SMA it is. For me, I love the 9 and I love the 50 and I love the 200. When I'm scalping, I do the 30. Let's say this is my 200 and this is the 200 SMA and we're currently above the 200 SMA, which is good. That's another signal. We're currently above, if this isn't accurate, you know, the 50 SMA. So, and it's good. And we had our cross, and this is with the golden cross, so it came up. And then we're also above the 9 SMA, which is my white line. And let's say we're doing something like this. So now we have the 9, 50, 200 in sequential order from least to greatest, which is showing strength in the move. And I'm all about the strength of the move. This is another check mark. So we have all these check marks that are in place, but the most important is the market. And then let's say you trade patterns. I don't. I see them, but I don't trade patterns. I look at levels, support resistance levels. But let's say this happens to be a cup and handle. Or you can say, oh, here's my bull flag. So if you trade patterns and here is the level, you know, it broke this level and then it broke this level. And then now it broke this level. There's another check mark for you. But the average times, Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4 p.m. We do bonus streams, sometimes midnight, sometimes 2 in the morning. Last night we did at 10:30. So just kind of let you know, very important. I show you how to do all this stuff. Now, there is nothing that I won't answer that I'll say, oh, well, you got to join my group for that. No, I want you to make money so you know that I know what I'm doing. So you join the group. That's my motto. That's my business model. So here we go, guys. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Make sure to smash the like if you haven't already. Watch all these videos. There's a lot of videos that I have that are 8 minutes, 12 minutes, 24 minutes that show you how to trade. My goal is to get rich with you, not because of you, unlike other mentors out there that want to step on your back to elevate themselves. Help me spread the word. There are good guys out here, guys. There are good guys out here who are not just trying to steal from you to eat better. I'm okay with eating ramen. I'm okay. Because when I go to sleep at night, I sleep good, knowing that my heart is good versus, you know, just bamboozling people so that I can be rich. I've seen that happen before and it's not a good thing. What ends up happening, karma catches up. I do believe in karma. All right, guys, thank you so much. Appreciate you greatly. Smash the like if you haven't already. Watch all my videos, share my videos, help me spread the good word. Thank you so much. Now it's time. Let's make this money. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.